Hello, I'm Sticks. We will learn about compounds. A compound is a word composed of more than one free morpheme. The English language, like many others, uses compounds frequently. English compounds may be classified in several ways, such as the word classes or the semantic relationship of their components. In general, we have modifier and head, which forms into compound. Each modifier and head may have noun, verb, adjective, adverb, or preposition. Nouns such as place or thing. Verbs such as various actions. Adjectives such as describing its referent. Adverbs such as word group or other relation as we discussed before. And prepositions such as expressing spatial or temporal relations. So there are 5 possibilities of each modifier and or head. For example, noun and noun like football. Foot word denotes as its modifier and ball denotes as its head. Another example, verb and verb, like freeze dry. Where freeze denotes as its modifier, and dry as its head. And third example, making it differently like noun and adjective. Let's just say, Snow White, she's a princess. Snow denotes as its modifier, and white denotes as its head. It can have 2 types of compounds: endocentric and exocentric. Endocentric compounds by paraphrasing the meaning of the compound X and Y to a person/thing that is a Y, or that does Y, if Y is a verb. For example, steamboat, that can be found in basically the same semantic contexts as the noun boat. On the other hand, for exocentric compound, paraphrasing the meaning if the compound X and Y to a person/thing that is with Y, with X having some unspecified connection. For example, V8 car, is a car with a V8 engine rather than a car that is a V8. So I'd like to give you an exercise. First word, makeup, guess the modifier and its head type. The modifier, make, is a verb, and the head, up, is an adverb. Second word, candlestick. Guess the modifier and its head type. The modifier, candle, is a noun, and the head, stick, is also a noun. Third word, daydream. Guess the modifier and its head type. The modifier, day, is a noun, and head, dream, is a verb. Fourth word, overspeed. Guess the modifier and its head type. The modifier, over, is a preposition, and head, speed, is a verb. And fifth word, highlight. Guess the modifier and its head type. The modifier, high, is an adjective, and the head, light, is a verb. So, you now know how to form the words into a compound. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.